In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for maximum productivity. We'll dive into organizing your tasks effectively and mastering task management, all to help you streamline your day. First things first, log into your Todoist account. You can do this via your web browser or by using the desktop app. It's important to have a reliable means of access so you can keep track of tasks no matter where you are. Next, let's discuss setting up your Todoist effectively. Creating designated projects is a crucial step. Consider breaking your tasks into distinctive categories such as work, personal, family, and learning. This not only keeps you organized but also helps you focus on specific areas without an overwhelming view of tasks. Within these projects, you can further add sections. A common organization method is to use sections like to do, in progress, and completed. This helps in maintaining a clear structure and easily visualizing your progress. When it comes to managing tasks, setting priorities is essential. Todoist provides a priority flagging system from P1 to P4. Assigning these priorities allows you to differentiate tasks based on urgency, ensuring that your most pressing matters receive the attention they deserve. This can significantly aid in effectively managing your daily workload. Moving on, mastering task management with Todoist revolves around capturing tasks quickly and accurately. You can use the Quick Add feature by pressing the Q key to jot down tasks or ideas on the go. This feature is wonderful for maintaining productivity without breaking the flow of your work or daily routine. Scheduling tasks is another key component of task management. Todoist enables you to set due dates and even recurring tasks. You can establish reminders for weekly meetings every Monday or set an alert for tomorrow at 10 AM for important tasks. By utilizing this feature, you ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Todoist's natural language input capability adds another layer of convenience. It understands phrases like submit report next Friday or call mum every 2 weeks, making it effortless to add tasks without complex command inputs. This can save you time and make task entry much more intuitive. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for achieving 100% productivity with Todoist. Consider using pre-made templates for tasks or projects that occur regularly. This can save you significant setup time. Collaboration is another powerful feature. Share projects with teammates or family members to foster transparent collaboration. Last but not least, explore automating tasks by connecting Todoist with tools like Zapier or IFTTT. Automations can handle repetitive actions, freeing up your time for more critical work. There you have it, a comprehensive look at how to use Todoist to boost your productivity. Remember, the key is consistency and using these features to their full potential. Thanks for watching, and start organizing your life with Todoist today.